When stretching the biceps muscle on a dog, it's easiest to do so if the dog is laying down on its side. Note that the physiotherapist in this case is sitting behind the dog. It allows her to have a little bit more control of the limb as well as the dog itself. Once she has moved that paw closer to her reach, she places her right hand on the shoulder of the pet, and with her left hand placed close to the paw, just around the area of the wrist joint on the dog, she pulls the limb so it's lying along the dog's body, the dog's side, and from there, with her left hand, she straightens out the elbow. The key to success here is to stretch only to the level where the dog is comfortable. If the dog starts to fuss about and move about and is uncomfortable, you've gone too far. So just back off. Try to stretch the muscle 3 times for maybe 15 to 20 seconds each time. Stretching of the biceps is really helpful for dogs that might have elbow issues or even shoulder issues.